Okay, slowing the pour now.
Okay, target that point across the bank.
Locking on now, reading confirmed at 45.2 metres.
Hit the 20-meter mark now. Pressure's holding steady, but look at the clay content.
Easy now, lower it down. We need it aligned with the center mark. Okay, that's enough right there.
Copy that, wash out and move to the next one.
Lower the bucket slowly, watch the vibration.
Make sure the consistency is correct on the next batch.
Okay, lift it up. Watch the rebar. Set it down right there. Is it level?
Move the boom left.
Okay, slowing the pour now.
Hit the bottom bolts first.
All right, going down.
Clear up here.
Securing the last bolt now.
Okay, hit the switch. Wow, that is bright. Good job.
Good thing they upgraded the drainage here.
Yeah, these new sidewalks are much safer in the rain.